Good morning, Year 6. It is Friday, the 8th of May. Today's math session, we're going to be looking at finding missing angles around a point. So you're going to use facts about angles around a point to find a missing angle. We're going to use facts about straight lines to find a missing angle, and facts about triangles to find a missing angle. So, as always, there's a quick Kahoot starter here. Again, it is another Numeracy Ninja, so go and have a go at that and get that brain warmed up and get ready for the next part of maths ahead of you. So go to Kahoot, enter in the code 04614184, have a go at this Kahoot challenge, and then come back and watch the rest of this video. Your brain will be then warmed up, and it'll be much easier to use your mental mathematics. Okay then, let's start today's work. So this is a question here, okay, to find the missing angle. Now, it's not drawn to scale, okay, it's just a visual representation. So this angle here, okay, at the bottom, this one here, is going to be 73 degrees. And the question that you might be asked is, what is angle A? What is angle A? Well, on a straight line, it's half a circle. So on a straight line, the total sum of degrees is always going to equal 180 degrees, like a half term. So think about it this way. If you know, okay, that A plus 73 is equal to 180 degrees. So this plus this is equal to 180 degrees. What is the missing angle? Well, to find that, I would do A is equal to 180 minus 73. So A is equal to 107 degrees. Okay, so A is 107 degrees. And there we go. To check it, add them together and make sure they equal 180. So remember, angles on a straight line are always going to equal 180 degrees. Okay then, let's have a look at another one. So this one here, this is now going to be 134 degrees, and this is angle B. So what is angle B? Again, use that fact to help you. We know on a straight line, the total sum of angles is always going to equal to 180 degrees. So B plus 134 degrees is going to equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so I can now inverse that, and B is equal to 180 degrees minus 134 degrees. So B must be equal to 46 degrees. 46 degrees. Now remember, this is not drawn to scale, okay? It's just an accurate, it's just a visual representation, so it's not going to be completely accurate, okay? Of course, this looks bigger than 46 degrees. So don't just guess off what you think it looks like. Use the mathematics. Often you'll see these and it will say in the bottom, not to scale or not to measurement, okay? So always be careful with that one. So straight lines always equal 180 degrees. Now let's have a look at this triangle here. What is the total sum of angles in a triangle? Well, if you said 180 degrees, you are absolutely correct. Inside here should also equal to 180 degrees. So I am going to say that this angle here, okay, is 110 degrees. And this angle here is angle B. And this angle here is also B. So it means that they have the same value. So to do that one, I'm going to write, because the total sum of the triangle, I'm going to write 110 degrees plus B, or plus 2B, if you wanted to do it that way, is equal to 180 degrees. So B plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So B plus B is equal to 70 degrees, which means 1B, okay, 1B, if I'm going to divide this between two B's, okay, 1B, so B must equal 35 degrees, okay, and there is my answer. Both of those angles are equal to 35 degrees each, okay. Add them up, check your work. If you add them all together, it should equal 180. So let's have a little look at this question here. I've got another triangle. Again, it's not to scale, okay? So I've got two angles here, and I need to find the missing one. So here, I know that the total sum of angles is 180 degrees. So therefore, I know that D, the angle D, okay, down here, is added to 37 and 42 to equal 180 degrees. Again, they're all there for me to see. So I can start by adding these two together. So D and 37 plus 42 is, of course, 79 degrees. So D plus 79 is equal to 180. I can now switch it. So D is equal to 180 minus 79. So D is equal to 101 degrees. Again, quick recap there. On a straight line, the angle is always going to equal 180 degrees. In a triangle, the angles inside are always going to equal 180 degrees. And now, angles around a point. Okay, so angles around a point, what would they equal? Have a little think to yourself. What would angles around a point equal to? Of course, if you said 360 degrees, you are absolutely correct. Okay, so these ones are always going to equal 360 degrees. So therefore, I've got these two angles here, which are opposite each other. Okay, this one here is 98 and 98. Now, if they are in straight lines, okay, and they are opposite like these, they will be the same, okay, as long as the line is completely straight, okay. So these two are opposite, which must mean that these two are opposite, okay. So I'm going to call these angle E, and this one's also going to be E because it's opposite. It's going to be the same, okay, because it's a straight line intersecting there. So therefore, I know that E, or therefore 2E, so E plus E, so E degrees plus E degrees, plus 98 degrees plus 98 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Now I'm going to tidy this up. I'm going to call this 2E, okay, because 2E's. 98 plus 98 is 196 is equal to 360, okay, because I've added these two together. So therefore, I can move around. 2E's, these two angles here, are equal to 360 degrees minus, minus 196 degrees. So 2E's are equal to, again, I'm just going to move this way across here, 360 minus 196. Well, I can minus 200 straight away. That will give me 160, and add the 4 back on because I've gone too far. That would give me 164 degrees. Now that's for 2E, so both of these add up to make 164. So therefore, I can half it. So 1E, half of 164, okay, 164 divided by 2 is equal to 82 degrees. That means that angle E is 82 degrees, and this one is the same on the other side, so that is 82 degrees as well. Okay, add them all up, and they should equal, okay, they should equal 360, or if I checked along this line, this nice straight line, these two should make 180, and these ones should make 180 as well. Now, if they are not a straight line, okay, and they go off a slightly different angle like this, you're going to have to do some more calculating. Again, knowing the fact that angles around a point always equal 360 degrees. So, to look at this one, to find angle F, in this case, I'm going to do F degree plus 85 plus 95 degrees plus 27 degrees is going to equal to 360. Now, I can't just quite fit on there, so I'll put it down onto the next line just a little bit lower. Okay, so I can start to add these together. So F plus, well, 85 plus 95, that's 180, plus 27 is 207 degrees. So F plus 207 degrees is equal to 360. Again, I can now start to solve it. 360 minus 207, okay, F is equal to this. Again, my degrees are there. So F is equal to 153 degrees. Good. So to recap there, okay, any angles on a straight line, okay, if I add both of those two up, or maybe there's even 3 or 4, they will always equal to 180 degrees in total. If I have got a triangle, okay, the inside sum of all three angles will also equal to 180 degrees. If I have got a sort of point around a circle, okay, around a point, all of these, okay, whether there are 4 of them, there could also be, apologies, that didn't go quite into the right place. If they are on a straight line, they will also equal, okay, no matter how many there are, they will all equal to 360 degrees. And that's the same for any quadrilateral as well, okay? Any 4-sided shape, squares and rectangles are obviously nice and easy because they generally use right angles. They would also equal to 360 degrees as well. So keep that in mind when you're solving your work today. Points around or on a straight line, 180 degrees. The sum of angles inside a triangle will equal 180. Any around a point, okay, like this, will equal 360, as will any quadrilaterals. So, using that knowledge, I would like you to solve your work for today to find the missing angles from your questions. So, answer your questions, solve them. If you want the dojo, send them to me and I will mark them for you. Otherwise, answers will be sent at the end of the day. Of course, there are activities on the study ladder if you want a little bit more of an extension and a bit more of a challenge. So, thank you very much, Year 6. I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Enjoy.